Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Coinomi application using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to get rid of your Coinomi application that is installed on your Android device, then the process is quite simple. First, spot your Coinomi application from the app drawer and press hold the application. You'll be able to see several pop-ups displayed on the screen. Tap on the uninstall button and confirm uninstallation in the pop-up at the bottom by tapping OK. Wait for a few seconds and you'll be able to delete your Coinomi application from your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.